Back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be showing you examples. There are some questions that have been dropping on our this thing. I think I will have it in the two form. The one that has multiplication and division, that is this one, and the other one will be the one that are attached with plus and minus. Let's try to work on this. By the end of this, you understand the indices. I mean, equation of indices that involve multiplication and division, in this form. These are the questions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand how to solve any indices in this form. Now, let's start from number 1. I think number 1 is more straightforward. Okay, which one is the most straightforward there? Okay, let's start with this. This is very straightforward. Look at this thing. I can divide both sides by what? By 3. By 3. This will cancel this. S raised to power 3 all over 5 equals to what? 27. And my 27 can be equals to what? If I were you, multiply both power by 5 all over 3. By 5 all over 3. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. My S equals to, that will be 27, which is 3 raised by 3, bracket of 5 all over 3. This will cancel this. My S will be equals to 5 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 5, which I have 81 times 3. It will be 81 times 3, which I need to quickly. Now, 81 multiplied by 3. That will be 243. I think 24. Yes, 243. 243. That is all. Now, the next one, I think this also is straightforward. When you have something like this, is a decimal. I can turn it to what? 1 all over 2 all over 10, which is, I have the same thing as what? 1 all over 5. When I cut, bracket equals to 1 all over 5 raised to power 2. Now, I can turn this 5 to power x, which is minus, equals to 5 to power 2. 5 is equals to 5. It means my x minus 5 minus s equals to 2. It means my s equals to 2. My s equals to 2. That is all. Because I just do the decimal. 2 all over 10. Year 1, year 5. That is 1 all over. And anytime I have s to the power, it's same as 1 all over x. Please take note of that very well. Now, that is settled for us. I think my s equals to 2. If my s is 2 here, I think the side A will be equals to side B. Now, let's move on to this. Also, is a straightforward one. And this will be x raised to power 1 all over 3 equals to, this can be 25 all over 100, which I have it as 5 raised to power 2 all over 10 raised to power 2. If I were you, I will have 5 raised to power 2 all over what? 10 raised to power 2, which I can write it as 2 multiplied by 1 all over what? 6. Year 1, year 2, year 3 rather. Can you see? Now, I can now say that what? My x multiplied by both power by what? By 3, and also 5 all over 10, bracket of what? This is 1 all over 3 multiplied by 3. I multiply both power by what? By 3. This will cancel this. This will cancel it. It means my x equals to what? 5 all over 10. My s equals to 5 all over 10. Please manage that. My s equals to 5 all over 10. Can you see how it's being done? Now, the last one, I can turn this to what? 8 raised to power minus 1 can be equals to, this one is 1 all over 8 raised to power 3. 8 times 8 times 8. 8 times 8, 64, which is going to be 64 times, this is going to be 5. That is going to be like that. Yes, is it that? 8 times 8 times 8. Yes, I'm correct. Now, it means I'll be talking about, this will be 2x minus 1 equals to, since this equals to minus 3, Now, which is going to be 2, my s equals to 1. My s equals to 1 because this will be what? Minus 2, and my s is equals to minus 1. My s equals to minus 1 because when you add this to 1 plus 1, we have 2, and this is going to be minus 2, and by so doing that, divide both sides by that 2, you have s is 1. Now, another one that is here, this is also straightforward. This is not straightforward. Okay, this is not straightforward. Okay, this is already very, very straightforward. Look at this also. I can say that 3x minus 1 equals to, look at this, 3 multiplied by 1 all over 3 equals to what? This can be 3 raised to power, 2 raised to power 3, and divided by what? 3 raised to power 3, which I will be having 3. Now, multiplied by 1 all over 3. 1 all over 3. I multiply both power by what? 1 all over 3. This we cancel this we cancel this. 3x minus 1 equals to 2 all over 3. Now, it means I'll be having 3x equals to 2. That'll be 3 plus, that'll be 3 plus 5, 5 all over 3. Now, divide both sides by this. It means I will divide both sides by 3 by 3. This will cancel. My s become 5 all over 9. My s is equals to 5 all over 9. Please take note of that. I added 5 plus 5, which is going to be 3. I have 5, which is 5 all over 3. Yes, 5 all over 3. 5 all over 3, I divide both sides by that, and I have that. That is what you need to know there. Before I continue, this also is a bit tough. This also is very simple. Now, okay, let me try to explain this one. I have 4, which I'll be having 2 raised to power 2, bracket of 3x divided by 2 equals to, this one will be 3 raised to power 3 x, which is 8, bracket of 1 over 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2. Can you see that this will cancel this? What else can it cancel? The thing again can cancel. Now, I can now say that I have 2 raised to power 2x, 3x equals to, this one will be, this is 2 rather. Now, I'll be having 2, 3x all over 2 minus 2. That is the power, which I'll be having 4. Now, it is true that 3x will be equals to 3x minus 4 all over 2, which I'll be having my x, okay, which permits me to rub it because I've done it already. Sorry about that. Because of the space. That is why I said this is a bit tedious. Now, can you see that? Okay. Now, what did I do here? This is equals to this. 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, the powers are also the same. Which I'll be having 3. If I were you, 3x minus 3x all over 2 equals to 3x minus 3x all over 2 equals to minus 2. I think what did I just do? This comes to this place, which I have that, which I'll be having 6x minus 3x all over 2 equals to minus 2. Now, this become minus 4. This minus this become 3x equals to minus 4. My s equals to minus 4 all over 3. That is all. Minus 4 all over 3. That is all. Now, yes. This cancel this. Okay, there is no any problem. Okay, I'm trying to check maybe there is any problem I created when I was on it. Okay, which is very correct. That's all. Now, let's see this one. If I have to solve this particular problem, it means 4 all over 3 bracket of x plus 2. This will be equals to, I have 2. If I were you, I have 2. Okay, I have 3 raised to power 2 divided by what? 4 raised to power 2, which I can turn into bracket of 2. Since 2 is here, 2 is there, which I can answer that since 4 all over 3 equals to 3 all over 4 all over 3 equals to 2 all over 4. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Sorry about that. To make it equal, you need to be very smart. I can say that 4 all over 3 bracket of x plus 2 can be equals to 4 all over 3 bracket of minus 2. Can you see? I just changed it over and I added minus here. Now, I can answer that since 4 all over 3 equals to what? 4 all over 3. Therefore, x plus 2 equals to minus 2. Now, it means my s equals to minus 4. That is all. My s equals to minus 4. Yes. I think I'm not making any mistake. No. My s equals to minus 4. Because if I put minus 4 here, can I get the same thing? Yes, I will get the same thing. Which is I'll be having minus 2. Yes, it's correct. My s is equals to minus 4. Now, okay. Permit me to rub all this because it's likely this flows because it's more tedious, harder. It's more harder at this junction. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this problem. I have this. This. They are all of the same number, which I can say that 2 raised to power 1 minus x plus x minus 1. Now, I can now say that minus bracket of x plus 2. Why am I using minus here is division. That is division. This one indicates multiplication. And this one indicates what? Division. That is equals to 2 raised to power 3 bracket of 2 minus 3x. Can you see how it is? Now, I can now say that 2 is equals to 2. By so doing that, it will be, I have minus minus 1, sorry, and minus s minus 2 equals to 6 minus 9x. This will cancel this will cancel this, left with this. Now, since I have that, I can now say that minus 9x minus plus x equals to 6 plus, which I'll be having 8. Minus 8 equals to what? 8. Now, it means my x himself will be equals to minus 1. My x equals to minus 1. Now, can we try, if we put minus 1 here, what will be? Will it be equals to themselves? I don't know what it's supposed to. For instance, this one will be plus, that will be 5, which is going to be 8 raised to power 9 plus raised to power 5. This one will be 1. If I put, that will be 2. This one will be 1 minus 1, that will be 2. When you do that, I think it's correct. Thank you. It's correct. Because this one will be minus 1, that will be 2. This one will be, that will be minus 2, which is going to be 0. This one will be minus 1, which will be, oh, it's correct. That is very good. It's correct. Okay, now, I have that, and permit me to rub it off because of space. My s is minus 1 there. Now, look at this also. I have this particular question. I can turn this as this. I can see that 2 multiplied by 5 bracket of x, 5 2x minus 2, and 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 equals to 2 raised to power 0. Because I know that anything raised to power 0 is what? Except 0 itself. This is same thing as what? 2 raised to power x, 5 raised to power x, this is dot, 5 raised to power 2x minus 2, dot, 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 equals to 2 raised to power 0. Now, they have the same base, 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power, which is very correct, 5 raised to power x plus 2x minus 2 equals to 2. I can say that 2 multiplied by 5, all powering is 0. There's no any problem. Now, can I do something here? This will be 3, 2 raised to power 3x minus 2. And this also will be what? 5, which is 3x minus 2 equals to what? 2 multiplied by 5 bracket of 0. Now, can you see I can turn this to what? 10, which is, let me just 2 multiplied by 5 bracket of, the powers are the same. 3x minus 2 equals to 2 times 5 bracket of 0. This is equals to this, since 10 equals to 10, which is this and this. Therefore, 3x minus 2 equals to 0. My x equals to 3x equals to 2. My x equals to what? 2 all over 3. My x equals to 2 over 3. Now, I think I'll be stopping here because of our time. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.